Good day, Miss Pamela. How are you today?
I'm good, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Pamela Rollion, 28 years old. I'm a single mother of 2 kids. I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters. My father is farmer, my mother is a plain housewife. I'm college level. I'm a domestic helper in UAE since July 2014 to January 10, 2015. My major duties are baby care, age infant babies.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of baby?
I have to feed the baby, change diaper, taking a bath, and I love baby very much and treat the baby as my own child. I hope Sir Madam will consider to employ me. I promise to do my best to serve your family. Thank you, Sir Madam.
Okay, and what are your other duties from your previous employer?
I'm washing the clothes, ironing, washing the car, and taking care of the babies.
And what do you think is the reason why the baby is crying?
Maybe the baby is hungry, the diaper is full, thirsty, or want to sleep.
So, do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
And what kind of dishes you can prepare?
Filipino food, madam, sir.
So, do you know how to go to market?
Yes, sir, madam.
And do the marketing also?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, and do you know the responsibilities of being a domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam.
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for a high salary. At the same time, I'm a single mother. Since I'm a single mother, I want to help and support my family.
So, do you have any last message for your future employer?
If I have giving a chance, sir, madam, to work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper, I guarantee to you, sir, madam, to work hard and do my best to give them satisfaction. Thank you, sir, madam.
Thank you very much and hope to see you in Hong Kong. Before we end, can you show your best smile?